Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making baked ham and cheese sandwiches. Alright, I'm starting out in a 9x13 baking pan. And I'm going to spray it with some cooking oil. Just a quick spray. Now I have a 8-ounce tube of crescent rolls. I'm going to take out the crescent rolls and I'm going to line them in the bottom of the baking pan. Let me separate the rolls. What you want to do is you just want to take them and spread them out. And where your seams are, pinch them together to make them one solid sheet. And just go ahead and line the whole bottom of your baking pan. Alright, now that I have all my crescent rolls in there, and I have all the seams pinched together to make one solid sheet of dough, I'm just going to give this a little push to spread it out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a 375-degree oven for 10 minutes to bake this bottom layer so it's not mushy for our sandwiches. So I'm going to go ahead and get that in the oven. Alright, this just came out of the oven. Now I have some Dijon mustard. So I'll put some on here. And I'm going to take a spoon and I'm just going to smear this around into an even layer. And if you don't like Dijon mustard, you can use regular mustard, spicy mustard, or leave the mustard out. And I'm just going to smear this around. Alright, that's looking good there. And that's about 3 tablespoons of mustard I put on there. Okay. Now I have some Munster cheese. Not Herman Munster, but Munster cheese. You can use any kind of cheese that you like. I just happen to be using Munster. I'm going to go ahead and get this out. And I'm going to put cheese in here. Line the whole bottom of the pan or the top of the crescent rolls. Alright, now that I have my cheese in there, and that worked out to be 8 slices of cheese, I have some deli ham here. Slices it to deli. Does anyone know why they put the sticker across the slide thing? I don't know. It's just like when you go to the deli and you say, give me a pound of whatever kind of meat you want, and they adjust the slicer right where it's perfect. They go to slice and then they adjust it back a little bit. Why did they do that? I'm going to take my ham. Don't mind me, guys. I'm just rambling on. And I'm going to take the ham and I'm going to double it in half. And we're going to put a layer of ham in here. Alright, now that I have all my ham in there, I have 8 tablespoons of butter, or 1 stick of butter that I melted. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of onion powder into the butter and a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I'm going to stir that up and just set that aside just for now. Now I'm going to take a second roll of crescent rolls and I'm going to put them on top. Repeat the same process we've done on the bottom on top, pinching the seams closed. Right now that my crescent rolls all spread on top and I pinch the seams shut, I'm going to take that flavored butter we made and I'm going to go ahead and brush this on top generously. You don't want to skimp with your butter because this here is going to make them extra moist and flaky and delicious. I'm just going to go ahead and spread my butter all over the top. Now what I'm going to do is after I get all my butter on here, I'm going to put this in a 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes till the top is nice and golden brown and everything's all heated through and melted. Alright, this just came out of the oven. You can see how that crescent roll puffed up, all nice and golden brown. That butter really made it look good, and the cheese is all melted down around the sides and stuff. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright, these here guys you don't want to pick up and eat like a regular sandwich because they're more like a casserole and they're lava hot. So I'm going to eat it with a fork. Just cut down in here. See how the bottom's nice and golden brown? First thing you get that mustard. Then you get the saltiness of the ham, the cheese, and then you get that buttery crescent roll. Let's take another bite. Crescent roll's flaky. Really easy, really delicious. One pan meal, easy cleanup. Alright, there you have it. Baked ham and cheese sandwiches. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.